Anushka, welcome back to my channel. Nykaa is back with its Pink Friday sale, which starts from the 23rd of July and goes on till the 27th of July, and it has some amazing offers in store for all of us. And what's really amazing is that it is offering a flat 20% discount on all Plum products, and you also get a free kajal on all purchases over 999 rupees. Isn't that just amazing? Also, it is Plum's 6th birthday, and what better way to celebrate the same than a Plum haul? I stocked up on my favorite plums from Nykaa to celebrate Plum's 6th birthday and as a part of this haul. And I'm so excited to share with all of you all the products from Plum Goodness that I got my hands on. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Before moving on to the products, I have to tell all of you that Plum Goodness is an amazing brand. It is one of the greatest skincare brands that I have ever come across, and all of their products are 100% vegan. Anyways, moving on to the products, the first product that I got my hands on is this Illuminin Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This cleansing balm from Plum Goodness suits all skin types. It acts like an amazing cleanser but also moisturizes your skin at the same time. You can use it as a part of your skincare routine in the morning to cleanse your face, or you can use it to get rid of makeup, pollutants, or any other negative particle that might be there on your skin. It basically helps you cleanse your skin of absolutely anything. It is absolutely hydrating as well, and I simply love this cleansing balm from Plum Goodness. The next product that I got my hands on is this Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask. It is actually a clay mask which renders a beautiful glow to your skin. It repairs sunscreen damage, calms your skin. It removes oil and impurities from your skin, leaving it looking all radiant and refreshed. I have been loving this face mask. I can use it after a tiring day, just to relax myself, or whenever my skin seems to be looking really dull. This mask renders an instant glow to my skin, and I really love this one for that. The next product that I got is this Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and it is perfect for combination and oily skin. It is a great product to have as a part of your nighttime skincare routine. It is during the nighttime when you're asleep that your skin gets ready to absorb all the essential nutrients, all the nutrients that nourishes your skin. And this one right here is enriched with all the goodness that your skin needs. It helps you fight acne, it brightens up your skin by giving it a beautiful glow, and it makes your skin look really refreshed. This Renewed Clarity Night Gel is very moisturizing, hydrating. It has a gel-like texture which is really nice. It is very lightweight and you'll not feel like you're wearing anything on your face. And when you wake up in the morning, trust me, your skin will feel so soft and smooth. It ends up looking so refreshed and rejuvenated. So these are all the products that I got as a part of my Plum haul from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I also got a free vegan kajal, which is the Plum Goodness Nature Studio All Day Wear Gold Kajal. I love the kajal because it is smudge proof, waterproof, has a creamy texture, it is intensely pigmented, it makes your eyes look really glam, trust me. It also has this really cute sharpener inside that is really handy. that's all about my Plum haul. I absolutely loved all the products that I got from Plum Goodness as a part of this haul, and just make sure to check out the amazing offers that Nykaa has in store for you as a part of the Pink Friday sale. I'll make sure to leave down the link to the sale in the description box below for your ready reference. Trust me, you will absolutely love this sale, and make sure to stock up on your favorite plums as well. Let me know in the comments below which plums are you planning to stock up from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. And in case if you like watching this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username will be somewhere out here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.